All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the GT model. Is beautiful white with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, roof racks, navigation system, heated seats in the front and the back, heated steering. Super nice. Only 45,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. What is this? A little scuffing here, about 3 inches. Hood looks good. Fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice ouncy curbing. Your tire thread here is over 10-30 seconds. Turn the light here. Boom. Over 10-30 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing. Let's check out your tire thread, which is over 7-30 seconds. Let me double check it. That's correct. Over 8-30 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Looks good. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn on for you guys. It does come with one key fob combo. Does have some manuals, but not all. Got your AM, FM, CD player, on and all that good stuff. You got your Navi system right here. Pow. Got your backup camera. You got your AC controls right down below. Your heated seats and your heated steering. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. Zero lights on, except for tire pressure and your mileage of 45,650. Looks good. That's about it. Little buttons here. Open things up. Keep it moving. Turn on the fog lights. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that was saying, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents, rear AC controls, and down there and back here, you do have your heated seats. I know it's hard to see there. Let's try to get it over here. Alright, I'll show you from here. It's so much light, can't see it. Anyway, right there you got your heated seats. That's for this seat, and obviously for that one, for that side. Alright, obviously as I'm doing this, your windows work back here. Your side windows work, as you can see. Boom. Your vents. Alright. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Your rear trunk space looks very nice. Just notice we do have a cracking here to the plastic here. So either you want to replace that or not, but I just wanted to show it to you. Alright. And I'm assuming because there's a dent here that this is going to be hold frame. Alright, this is what your trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. The seats do fold forward, stow and go, as the car says. Little button there closes the lift gate, which looks pretty darn nice. Here's your passenger side quarter. Looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice LLC curbing. Your tire thread. Over 7-30 seconds. This looks pretty good. Does seem to have a little dent there. No paint off, about 2 inches. Another little ding down here. No paint off either. Another one here on the door, on the front door. No paint off. Here's your front passenger seat. No hole, I mean your rear passenger seat. The other side of it, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third row. A little button here. Closes that. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. With no holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat as well. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. I don't see any curbing. Tire thread is over 7-30 seconds. Lights are working, fog lights are working, things are beautiful, folks. Once again, a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT model with 45,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.